this tutorial I'll show you how to undo your work, seal your work, and how to do the front loop stitch and the back loop stitch.
Right, I'm going to show you how you simply undo your work. So what I'm going to do is I'll undo these increases and decreases just by simply removing your hook, and how you undo your work. So if you're not happy with something earlier on in your row or even down in your project, you simply grab the working yarn and you simply just pull it all the way to where you want to stop. So I'm just going to stop there. Or like I said, I'll just go all the way back to the beginning of this row. So you just simply keep pulling until you're happy with where you want to be. Okay, right, so that's how you do the undo your work. So I've inserted my hook again. So again, I've gone back to the row with the front and back post. So you simply just pull it until you want to get to where you want to be. Okay, so what you do now is undo that chain one as well. I'm going to show you how you seal your work. So when you finish your project, how you seal it to stop it from undoing is I will simply just go and get my scissors and my tapestry needle. So I will show you how you seal your work. So what you do is you yarn over, pull through like you would with a chain one. Yeah, my mistake. Let's do this again, so I'll finish this stitch. And over, pull through. There. Okay, start again. So you yarn over, pull through like you would. So you've chained one. Then you get your scissors, cut the work, so you no longer need that. Then you pull that loop through and you pull that closed, and now that is all sealed and it won't unweave or undo, I mean. So that's how you seal your work. So that's nicely secure now. And to weave your tails in, you get your tapestry needle or yarning needle, and how I do it is you fold your tail and pull it through like so, and you just weave using the needle. Oh, I want to do. You just go in and out a few times. I do it to about 3 times. Pull that through. Pull it back a bit. Oh, it's come off. Try again. So I've gone through 3 bits. And then I just go back around and go into another 3. So this is just weaving in the end so the work won't unravel, and it just makes it tidy. So you just pull it through. This is just a quick little example. And then you get the scissors. And you cut it right down like so. So that's weaving in your end, and I'll do the same with this tail just to show you. So up, fold it in half, get the ivory needle and push it through a little bit. I'll just get my nails and pull the rest through, like so. Okay. So again, you get your work and you just simply weave in through your work. I'm just going through here, like so. Get that bit of thread, pull through, find what tail it is, that one. Put it back so it doesn't crumple. Then you just go back through the previous one, carry on as you were doing. Oh, sorry. Need to look where I was on the camera. And weave through like so. Pull through. Pull yarn all the way. Remove the needle, pull that so it's nice and neat, and cut the tail and give it a bit of a pull. And that is how you secure your work. So this is my nice little swatch for the demonstration. Push that on the side. Right, so that is how you do all the basics in crochet. Just like that. All done.
Hello everyone, I just wanted to include the front loop stitch and the back loop stitch in this tutorial.
Okay, I'm going to show you how you do the front loop stitch now. All I did was I reattached the yarn and I've done a whole row of single crochet along the top here. So I'm just going to show you how you do the front loop stitch and the back loop stitch. Okay, so how you do it is like you would with a single crochet. Yarn over, pull through to make one chain and turn your work. And with the front loop, all you do is you work into the front part of each stitch rather than under both threads of the V, you only go under one. So that part here is front loops and the back here is the back loops. So what you do is you go under like so, only the front part, like so, just the front part of the stitch, right? And like you would with the single crochet, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through both. So that is the front loop stitch. And again, you go under your next stitch, only, so I'll pull that aside, only the front part, so you leave the back part out. Okay, so you yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and you keep doing this all the way to the end. So again, I'll show you like so, only the front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2. So it's exactly the same as a single crochet, apart from you're only going in the front loops, not under both threads of the stitch. So I'll keep doing this just to show you. And I'll show you what it looks like on the other side once I finish this row of just single crochets in the front loops of this row. Oh, I didn't quite go under. A show you on the last one again how you do the front loop. So again, you see the V right there with the back thread there and the front here. So again, I'll try and show you. I'll try and get that out of the way of the camera. So, like so, you insert your hook and leave the back part of the V here. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, like so, and then you do your chain one. Okay, so that is how it looks. You can't really see much at the moment, but it's once you start working along. But for now, I'll show you. So that row's all done, and then you chain one and turn your work like so. So you can see all along here, that's the back part of your stitch that you didn't work. So that's your back loops that you didn't work into. So you can see them sat there, and on the front here, it just looks like a normal single crochet. And then I will show you the back loop stitch. So we've already done the chain one. So again, but this time you're working into the back part of the V's. So I'll do the first one. It's a bit fiddly. Okay, I'm going to show you how you do the back loop stitch now. So what's going to happen is you'll have another part of this, because we won't be working into the front part of the V's. We'll be going into, if I pull my hook out, going into these now. As you can see, that's the back part of the stitch. So we'll be working into these on this row. So I need to get my hook. Right, so we've done the chain one, and now we are inserting a hook only on the back part this time. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So you can see here that there's that front part of the stitch that we haven't worked into, so it's going to look very similar to this, because that was on that side. That's the back part of the stitch on that row, and now we've turned our work, and now this will be the front part that won't be worked into. We're working into the back loops only on this row. So again, you insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So you keep doing this all the way down this row. Just keep going into the back parts of the V only. And this is the back loop stitch. See, you can see these parts are the ones we haven't worked into. We're only working into the back parts. So again, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the two. So I'll keep going to the end of the row. And with this last one again, you insert under that part of the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the two. and this, sorry about my hook, I'll put it over here. So now you can see your work like so, and on the back it's like this, and on the front it's like this. So you can see these were on this side, so when we were working along this row we were only working in the front loops, leaving the back loops undone, and now we've worked along this row leaving the front loops undone, and now it's left all these not worked into, but it adds texture and look to the stitch. And in certain projects you use this stitch. So that is your front loop and back loop stitch. I hope this video tutorial has helped you with your stitches, and thank you all for watching. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to keep up to date with my videos, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye!